Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodstrike on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to a stable internet connection. Bloodstrike is a free-to-play battle royale experience, so you can easily find and download it from the Xbox store. Once downloaded, launch the game and complete any initial setup. You'll be ready to jump into the action and start your journey in this exciting shooter in just a few moments. Mastering the controls is crucial for success. You'll use the left stick to move your character around the map, while the right stick controls your aiming. Press the A button to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground, and the B button allows you to crouch for cover or slide into action. To engage enemies, use the right trigger to fire your weapon and the left trigger to aim down your sights for increased accuracy. It's quite intuitive. Bloodstrike features several core mechanics you'll need to understand. Always prioritize looting to find better weapons, armor, and essential healing items like medkits. Pay close attention to the shrinking safe zone on your map. Staying outside, it will cause you to take damage. Teamwork is also vital. Coordinate with your squad of up to 3 other players to strategize movements, share resources, and effectively eliminate opposing teams. Communication is key. To truly dominate in Bloodstrike, consider these helpful tips. Spend some time in the training modes to get a feel for different weapons and their recoil patterns. Constant communication with your teammates, whether through voice chat or the in-game ping system, can turn the tide of any battle. Finally, experiment with the diverse character abilities available to discover a playstyle that perfectly suits you and gives your team an edge. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.